What's up guys, Show 3x4 here, bringing you another vlog. It's like 2 degrees outside right now, so I'm gonna try and keep this a little short. But the last video you guys just saw, which I actually just posted today for me, we introduced you to the Ranger. Well, today we've got like an hour and a half of free time, so we're gonna go ahead, push this inside, and throw it up on the hoist. Check it out, make sure it's solid enough, make sure it's savable, and then maybe see if we can dial in what's wrong with it. First, I'm gonna push it in. It's full throttle. All right, flip this boy up, see what it looks like underneath. Like I said, I already know the body is shot. Fenders, box, cab corners. But that stuff can all be replaced. Technically everything can be replaced, but okay, let's see how this free truck looks.
Brake jackets are more keys. Actually, I think they've been done before. Yeah, they've been done before. These are bolted in. There's no like rivets on them. On the rear part of them. So they've been done before.
wow.
That's crusty.
It's crusty, but it's not.
It's not like rock stuff.
No.
The exhaust.
Yeah, I mean, most of the stuff, how it looks, can all be replaced. Leaf springs, like when I lower it, these springs will get changed, and throw an 8.8 in it. So the frame is the only thing I'm really worried about. I guess the cab is too. I'd like to keep the cab.
The front springs are really rusty.
Oh yeah, they are. Wow. The only thing I'm really concerned about is the frame and the cab.
The cab looks a little raw. Frame not too bad.
The frame could be sandblasted and...
Yeah, the frame can be sandblasted and painted. It's really not too bad. The cab is looking a little rough. I mean, all the mounts look decent though.
I mean, I guess technically I could get a new cab, but then that'd kind of be, I don't want to say pointless, but
Yeah.
like right there don't look so great. That's a part of the fender.
Yeah, no, that's part of the cab.
Is it?
Yeah, that's
Well, okay, this is the fender,
Yeah.
but then yeah.
The fender's just skin on the outside. It might clean up decent though, I mean.
Yeah, it might.
It's still crusty, but it might clean up better than you think. It's pretty dirty under here.
Yeah. You know, like again, I don't have anything into this, so. All right, so we dropped it down, and I hooked up the box to it. Battery's about dead. That is dead. Hooked the box up to it. We're gonna see if we can get it to, see if we can hear the fuel pump. I don't hear it. Ready? It's on. What? Really?
Yeah. Push the Schrader valve down on the fuel pressure test port, nothing even comes out. It's got no fuel.
All right, he's gonna spray some brake clean into the intake. Just tell me when. Yeah, I'm ready. Sick. It's alive. Ow. Are you still spraying it? Are you still spraying it? What the heck?
I just sprayed quite a bit in there.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
What the? I am thoroughly confused. What the heck? How much did you spray in there? Like, how long did you spray that for? A couple of seconds?
2 to 4 seconds.
What in the world? Yeah, it's gotta be. Okay, shut it off, try and turn it back on again.
Hold on.
I really don't know what to think. When I get it out there, I'm gonna have to put power steering fluid in it.
Oh yeah.
Speedometer's moving by itself.
That's a Ford thing, don't worry about it. Well, I thoroughly didn't think, I didn't not expect that. I'm like, this thing is idling a long time for
Wow. She needs some power steering fluid. I can't believe we got it running, dude. I was not expecting that at all. That's kind of sick. Oops. Come on.
It's got heat.
It's got heat, frick yeah.
It's got pretty decent heat too. I don't think it's fully warm yet.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah, it's not fully. The speedo's a little
Yeah, Speedo likes
How
to
you
climb
going?
a little bit, but
you don't need to know what speed you're going down there anyway.
no frickin' way, dude. This is awesome. Dude, this is bringing back memories. 12-year-old me freaking out is behind the wheel. Oh, this thing's got a lot of... Holy cow.
What?
It's got a lot, like, it's like 2.5 turns. Yeah, so this is straight. 1, 2. Okay, so 2.
Yeah.
That's weird.
Yeah, it's not a quick ratio rack.
All right, let's see. We'll start again. What'd you have to do to start it last time?
I had to kind of like hold it to the floor.
Okay.
Don't touch it right now.
You gotta be Damn it!
Well, we need the jump box again. This is why I told you to pull it inside.
Okay, let's see if it starts without any brake clean assistance. It's gonna be annoying. I didn't touch the throttle, dude. There's no way the battery just being shot.
Go ahead.
No frickin' way, dude. I still don't trust it to like take it home.
No, I don't either.
But, dude, look at that. This truck so far is still frickin' free. I haven't done a single thing to this.
Honestly.
This is sick, dude.
Your luck is annoying.
Wow. See if this thing doesn't burn out. It probably, I don't know what wheels to pick. Oh, I picked this one.
Whoa.
Oh
yeah, I forgot it's one wheel peel.
That was quick, fast, in a hurry, dude. Look at that.
I forgot. What?
That was both.
Wait, do it again.
It kicked it sideways. Well, frick yeah, dude. We got it running for free. With a little brake clean, a screwdriver,
A pair of pliers.
and a pair of pliers. I'm thoroughly excited that we got this going for free. Now, did we fix it? Not necessarily, but it starts up every time with the battery connected. Oh, now that we're done with that, we got that running and we checked it out. That was kind of the objective for this video, but I haven't done this kind of stuff in a while, and we're gonna hang out. We're gonna go hang out with Nate for a while, and then a bunch of people are getting together, so I'm just gonna record it. So if you don't want to watch this part of the video, then go ahead and skip, but otherwise I'm gonna record us friends kind of messing around all day. So from one piece of junk to another, here we go. Okay, so while we're kind of waiting for Nate to show up, we're just trying to get everything I have running. This is my wife's. This is my wife's four-wheeler, but it'll be all right. We haven't paint cracked this yet either, so that'll be all right. Sorry, Jay. Okay, let's see what she does here. Come on, baby. Come on.
Let it idle if you can. If it will.
Whenever you start, it's getting better.
Yeah, it's getting a little heat in the motor each time. There you go. Alright. Ran the quad a little bit. Heading to Ryan's house. We're gonna mess around with Nate's truck. The one that you saw him race. Well, actually both of us race, but I didn't post a video of mine. But and kind of do some mess around there, and then we'll all hang out tonight. Just kind of bring you guys along. Keep going. He's in. What's up, buddy? We're doing this job for his Trailblazer. We figured out what's wrong with it. And then we got my Ranger, my free Ranger running for free. And then we started my quad, or Jay's quad up.
You do the same thing with your spark plug wires? Tie them up so they don't touch adders. Yeah. I did the same with mine.
I can't believe you got rid of your 20s.
Well, what the heck? Yeah. Wonderful. I got welds.
You got welds already for it? Yeah. Well, Nate needs a freaking adapter for the oil pressure sensor we're gonna use for the location. We're gonna use the factory side. Nate, your truck can sound like this. But it doesn't. Oh, thanks. Oh, turn this corner, you're gonna rip it?
I might.
Yeah, I might.
I just didn't put it back right.
I love how you can hear the frequency get higher and lower.
It shifts pretty hard. It shifts great. That's how it should shift when you're wide open.
Want to race? Clean it! Jeez!
How do you get that much dirt that high on it?
Holy crap. Okay, did you figure it out yet?
No, I'm crying now.
Oh my gosh.
I need a beer.
You going to work out?
No.
I didn't think so. What are you doing over here? Being dumb? Seeing if this is going to work. It better work.
You idiots trying to do this.
I'll do it.
No, you won't.
Never said how long it would take, but I will do it.
That's gonna burn the truck down.
Nope. Well, this was the wrong sensor, or the wrong adapter. I don't know if I said that already. So we had to put the old oil pressure sensor back in. Now we're still, hey, watch it, buddy. We're still
Prison style.
feeding the wiring through and everything, so that way it's ready to hook up and plug into when he gets a new adapter, one that's correct. But yeah, and smart guy changed his oil and he was given the wrong oil filter. So that's cool.
Don't recommend either.
Hey! Slow. All right, guys, that's actually where I'm gonna end it for this video. Got to the point where we just started moving around a lot and going to different places, and I just didn't end up bringing the camera. Got loud in B-dubs and we were all drinking. I just didn't pick the camera up anymore, but I do want to get myself in the habit of just recording more anyway throughout the day. But I'm glad we got the Ranger running for free. So the truck's still free for me. Next video should be, me and Ryan are gonna fully detail my wife's Impala SS inside and out, and then probably gonna do some with the van just for fun. But summer's coming up here soon. Gonna have a burnout contest next month. Gonna go to the track next month. Ryan's got some things planned for his truck, so the summer should be pretty fun. And I'm gonna be excited to just rip the truck around and actually be able to enjoy it this year. But yeah, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next vlog.